Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. This wise quote means nature isn't just a place to go for fun. It's a part of where we all live. And just like we clean and care for our rooms, we should help keep nature healthy and happy. We can do this by picking up any litter we find, leaving flowers and plants where they grow, and being gentle with animals and bugs. When we treat nature kindly, we're helping keep our big shared home safe and beautiful for everyone who lives there, including plants, animals, and us.